So now as we have installed Go on our computer, what we can do is we can start with creating a program using any IDE, and I will be using VS Code in my case, and you can use any other IDEs that are available. So for Golang, we have Goland that is by JetBrains, but I don't have subscription to it, so I'll be using VS Code, and it is common for all the other languages also. We can use VS Code, it supports everything. So yeah, now just open VS Code and we have to click here, new file and new text file, and we will do Control S and we'll be saving it as main.go. So you can use any other name, like I have used main, you can use anything and save. So this is how we successfully create a first program file, Go file, and we have to now call the package main here, main, and yes, import fmt. So what is fmt? Fmt is a format package that basically allows to format basic strings and values or anything, and it also is helpful in printing them and to take user input and other small activities. So we'll be creating a function over here with func main, and we'll be printing fmt.println. We have to call the package here also, and following the legacy of programmers and programming languages, we'll also be printing hello world. Yeah, so the program is finished. Now, as you can see on the screen, we do not have any play button or anything. So how do we run it? So we will be needing this terminal over here, and we can just do go run main go. So all set. We have hello world printed on our screen, and this is how we have successfully created our first program.